Good afternoon. This is Mary Louise Polistico. I'm from Talibon 1 district. I'll be showing you the steps on how to make an RJ45 patch cable. And first we have the LAN or network cable. And we have the RJ45. And we have the cable stripper. And the LAN cable crimper. And also we have the LAN tester or LAN cable tester. So first step is we will be removing at least 1.5 inch of this LAN cable to we'll try to remove this outer shell to get those wires inside. So we'll be using this cable stripper to take out the outer shell of this LAN cable. So just have to twist it like this and carefully remove. As you can see, there are wires inside. Let's just remove this. Alright, so there are different colors of the wires inside. So we'll just have to unpair this. As you can see, they're actually twisted together. So just have to unpair this one, and then we'll have to remove this string first. Okay, so we'll use this wire creeper to remove this. Okay, carefully remove that string. Now let's untwist it so that we'll have to separate each of this wire. So let's just untwist each of the wire. We'll make sure that they're actually separately unpaired. Alright, we're almost there. We have to make sure that they are actually unpaired from each other. So let's make sure that they actually look like this. So now we're going to arrange this wire according to each color. So it has we have to make sure that they are arranged properly because it will affect of our wire to work. So first color that we're going to arrange is the white orange. So as you can see here, there is actually stripe like white and orange. You can see it there. So this is the first color, and then second will be the orange. So the pure orange color. Just hold tightly. And the next color would be white green. So here. So white, green, white and green. Make sure to hold it tightly because there are a lot strong wires, and to make sure that when we are going to insert this later, they are actually aligned. Okay, so next color would be the blue. So here we have the blue color, the pure blue. Next would be the white and blue. Here it's like a stripe color of white and blue. Just have to align this wire, and then just straight it in. Make sure that they are actually arranged accordingly by the required color. So next would be the green, the pure green color. And then Next would be the white brown. And finally would be the brown or pure brown color. Okay, let's just arrange it tightly. So we have to check first before cut this out. So first, color should be the white orange. Next would be the orange, the white green color. Okay, the next would be the blue, and the white blue, then green, white, brown, and the brown. So after you have arranged these wires, you have to just push and make sure that they are straight, silly, tied together. Okay, if you have this straight and tightly arranged color, then we have to cut this at least a 1 inch from the outer shell so that we have enough space as we are going to insert this from the RJ45. So carefully cut this using your land creeper. Alright. After you have cut this, so we'll just have to put or insert this one inside the RJ45. So it should be facing, not like you have here some lock portion of the RJ45, but you have to make sure that this is away from you. So it should be like this. So as you can see, there are actually a small space inside where the wire will be put or inserted. So you just have to push tightly, and once you have, make sure that it's inserted tightly and in the right place. Then we will going to use now the cable creeper to tighten this up. Okay, so that we can this wires inside will not be removed. So this is to tighten up the RJ45 with the cables or wires inside. Just have to clip it like this. One, you can count 1, 2, or 3 to make sure it's locked. Okay, after this, here we are. We have created the LAN cable or the RJ45 LAN cable. Same process that you're going to do with the other side, and same arrange the wire accordingly as what we have mentioned earlier. So that's it. And how to make anyways, we are going to use our LAN cable tester to make sure that our cable is working. Okay, so we have switch here. All right, so as you can see, it's working because there's actually green light, and you will actually know if your LAN cable is working if you can see the lights running here. There are numbers, and when you put the LAN cable here, your RJ45 LAN cable, it will show lights running here. So let's check if our cable is working. I have actually here finished product. We have, okay, let's just put it here. Also the other side, there is another hole here. Okay, so let's check if it's running. Look, make sure each of the number that has light, so it means our RG45 cable is working. Alright, so that's it, and that's how you make a RG45 LAN cable. Thank you.